Father's Day 2026, California, Maryland. The Hobby Lobby parking lot. Cars and coffee. I'm John. This is Side Water Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Probably going to do a hit and run on this one because we got another show in Colonial Beach to go to today. Let's take a look at some stuff. We'll take a quick run through. Nice Chevelle there. Beautiful Bel Air. Got a line of nice cars here. GTO, Impala, Bel Air, Nova. Got Chevy Vega, that's nice. Still got the 4-banger in it. My buddies had these when we were growing up. They're all gone now. Not my buddies, the cars. Got a couple of Mustangs, a Fox body, and then a 71 to 73. That's a really nice car. Let's see. Nice looking Ford there. Like a 53 maybe. VW Bug. Hey, how you doing? Bill. Nice Mustang there. 68, I think. Nice truck, Grand Prix. We'll try to get everything we can. And we'll head over to Colonial Beach for their annual Father's Day car show. There's a boat-tailed Riv. Black. Corvette, various other things. Let's go through here. Moving fast today, folks. Got a couple more rows to go through. Nice roadster there. Got a flathead in it. Nicely done. It's Alex's Energizer Bunny van. We missed a couple of these. Here's the Chevelle. See him all over the place. Z-car. Neat stuff. This Galaxy convertible is nice. Pretty neat car. All right, let's get some of the other rows. Got a couple nice ones here. Beautiful Nova. Dang, that thing is nice. Got some wheel tubs on that one. Cool. All right. A couple OBS trucks here. One's lowered, one really isn't. Tell the difference. Stance. One's cab and a half. Short bed step side. One's, I'm sorry, yeah, cab and a half, short bed, and the other one's cab, standard cab, Ah, step side. You get it. Oh, look at that. I went for shock value on those things, didn't they? Ah, Thunderbird is nice. Well, I missed your car today. I apologize. I'm just trying to move fast through here. Get both these rows at the same time. Different perspective than we usually get. Let's try this. Let's celebrate all the wings. Got his camera mounted up there too. All that, we'll go over there and get that other row. Got a few here. Some newer Mustangs. Nice Ford truck there. A couple other trucks. Got a Porsche there, refrigerated gray. Got a couple of various cars there. Got a Cobra, a Mustang, Triumph Stag. We've seen him before. Alex, how you doing? You going to Colonial Beach?
When's that?
Today, right now.
Oh.
I'm doing a hit and run here and then going out there.
When does it run until?
3 or whatever. 4.
I'm not gonna have enough time. Sorry, man.
Have to catch the video, right? That's Alex. He owns that Energizer Bunny van. Got all the motorcycles. And beautiful Nova with LS swap. This BMW, we did an interview with him. It's a pretty rare and nice car. It's in one of the other Cars and Coffee videos. I forget from when, but we're getting our exercise today, folks.
This scrapyard has been closed for years. They just reopened, and they won't let you in there to go buy, to pick, but they'll sell you whatever they have. So like, have a
There you go, Tim and Ian, one of the wagons. Audi wagon. And there's a Viper. Oh yeah. Let's cut through here.
No offense to you guys, I just like them all.
Got some nice cars through here. Couple people out today. The weather's just about perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. 3 Godzillas in a row. And number 4 there. How about a Cadillac? That's neat. We followed him in. A Porsche convertible. Make a little extra effort to come around and see that one. Okay. I think we got it. Just about. Almost everything is Rally Sport. We've seen this Chevelle before. This thing is nice. I really like the paint scheme on this. Oh yeah. There's a few more things. Challenger. Oh, Prius. Nice. Alright. Let's get out of the way so we don't get flattened. Jeep. Nice Suburban. I like the green a lot. It's one of those delivery trucks that are now legal to import. So they're doing that. And reissued Thunderbirds. Whoa, that's a nice Mustang. That's a big truck, F-150, like 92 to 96. And you got a nice looking Mustang. Really nice. Okay, got a few there. Kind of walking haphazardly through here, trying to get everything we can for you guys and girls. So, Model A. So this one's for sale. Okay, this is a Shea replica, but I believe Ford actually did these. They put it on a Pinto frame. Look at that. Got the Z28, S10, a couple nice Corvettes. There's a couple I think that we might have missed. Hard to say, hard to say. Nice Corvette there. All right. Look at that thing. Up, right-hand drive. There's the Mustangs we saw, but here's a Z4. Evidently, this is a pretty rare car. I don't know anything about these, but he just got this. That's pretty. It's a pretty nice unit there. Is that brand new?
Yep, a week old. And it has 16 miles on it when I got it.
So that's paint and not a wrap?
Oh no, it's a paint. Let's get out of here. All original. Matter of fact, the only way, since you could tell, this is the final edition. They made it to where this paint and that's combination, the 6-speed transmission, inline 6, and they made sure they know it. They put it in there. Z4 final edition.
Look at that. Cool. All right, gentlemen, we're off to the next show.
All right.
Thanks for showing it to us.
That's tight. That's tight, man. I like that.
Surprise package Fairmont. I think he's got an LS and the turbo on that. Nice Mustang there. Really neat. This square body truck. That's nice. About Bill's, this is a 66 Chevy truck with a 60 nose on it. And he's made his own toolboxes over here. The fuel tank is actually inside there. The tank was back there, but had too much trouble with it rubbing on bumps because the truck is lowered. Nice. Check out the wheels. Beautiful. Got a trio of Corvettes there. I think that's about everything. Everything in a nutshell.
No, I think it's well, you know what? Look at 62 didn't have the it did have that front end.
So yeah, that'll do it. Cars and Coffee, Father's Day 2026. We're headed off to Colonial Beach. I'm John. This has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Appreciate the support.